Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 604 East 17th Avenue here in Oakland, California. Look at this beautiful magnolia tree, wonderful grassy lawn out in front. And then of course we just went through a wrought iron gate. As you can see, this is a Victorian, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the units here. All right, cheers. All right, we just are on the top floor now. We're entering into unit number 10. Here we are, we're greeted by a full-size kitchen, gas range, refrigerator, deep sink. Turning around, we see the double pane windows with window treatments, and then a good amount of space for, a little dining room table. So you can use this as a kitchen. This is a studio. So this is technically the living room, bedroom right here. Gas heater. You can also use, you can see there's a door to the right, so that enters into the hallway as well. So if you wanted to use this as your primary entry, you could do that. There's wonderful views of downtown Oakland through these windows, and tall ceilings, and you can see you have a fan here too. Deep closet. Of course, you would probably keep this door closed, but I wanted to share with you on the video. And then here you are. We have a nice size bathroom, toilet, sink, and of course a shower. And this what's really nice is you have a medicine cabinet for your toothbrush, toothpaste, all those necessities. All right, and then turn around here. Hopefully you don't get dizzy. You can, again, gas heat. These are wide plank vinyl flooring, really nice. Again, lots of sun. This is a top floor unit. And then going back into this kitchen. Again, it'd be very easy using this room as a kitchen / living room. You could put a couch here with the TV against that wall, or you could put the TV on that wall. So lots of options for you to really make this into more of a junior one bedroom as opposed to a studio. All right, thank you for watching.